Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're seeing this video for the first time, hi, you're welcome. Where in the world have you been? Please click that red subscribe button to join the family. To my OGs, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate you. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys different ways you can do your locks and look very beautiful. You can even do them yourself, okay? Honestly, you can actually do it yourself. You don't need to go anywhere. Just get your hook, get your lock, and you already have your hair. If you have a big mirror, it's going to help you too, okay, and your hands, and you're good to go, okay, as you can see. So there are different styles of how to make your own locks yourself, which I compiled and I'm sharing in this particular video, and different ways you can equally style your hair, okay. If you've already done your locks, different ways you can style it and look beautiful and smart. Even if it's old, you can still style it and it look very smart and beautiful, you know. And you know, one thing about being black is that you can take up any look at all. You can take up any look. You can just change your face at any time, okay. That's the beauties of being a black girl, okay. That's our black girl magic. So yeah, these are different styles that you can style your hair and you will look so beautiful and so dope. So I compiled a lot of them too in this video, so make sure you watch to the end. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, do all those good stuff, and I'll see you guys later.